So we made it to the NEC and we're now in the Glee show and heading on to our first stand. So we're with Becca and she's going to take us through a few new products.
Yeah, so new for 2026, Gardena is introducing its portable move hose box. It's one of Gardena's most smallest, lightweight and easy to use hose boxes. So it comes complete with a 10-metre hose, nice foldable, easy to use crank handle for easy winding, nice storage there, and it's perfect for small gardens, or if you're on the move, if you're camping, caravans, that kind of thing, but really small, really lightweight, really easy to use. And
so what's the length of the hose there?
It's a 10-metre hose.
10 metre?
Yeah, 10-metre hose.
Okay. And when's this available?
So this will be available from March 2026 in all major retailers and independent garden centres.
So Becca, what have we got next here?
So this is really, really exciting. It's a brand new innovation for Flymo. So this is the first cordless collect battery-powered hover mower.
Okay.
So Flymo is obviously renowned for hover mowers. We invented the hover mower over 60 years ago. A Swedish inventor, Carl Dahlman, really revolutionised the way that people mow their lawns. So instead of a traditional heavy push petrol lawn mower, he invented the hover mower, which is a very, very easy, effortless way to mow your lawn because of the gliding principle from the cushion of air.
Yeah.
But traditionally, all hover mowers were corded and electric because of the power needed for the motor to generate that air or that cushion of air underneath. But in 2026, Flymo is officially launching the first cordless hover mower, collect hover mower.
Excellent. So how's it powered?
So it's powered by two 4-amp-hour Power for All batteries, same as our Gardena batteries, part of the Power for All 18-volt Power for All system, which can be used in Gardena, in Flymo and other kind of large household and gardening brands. So Flymo's really developed this model with the consumers in mind. So not only is it incredibly lightweight, incredibly effortless to use, it's also really neat and easy to store away. So you can just fold the handles down, pop it up vertically, and it saves that precious storage space in your shed. So again, with consumers in mind, we all know how difficult it can be sometimes to empty grass boxes halfway through cutting the lawn. It starts spilling everywhere. Again, Flymo has that covered for you. So it's a collect and compact grass system. So as it collects the grass when you're mowing, it compacts it down.
How does it do that?
We're using air technology. So it uses the air technology to compress the grass as it's getting cut.
Okay.
So it means less trips back and forth to the garden waste bin. But not only that, it opens from the top as well. So rather than kind of traditional mowers where you pull it out and you have that inevitable spill of grass on the floor, it's a open from the top. So you lift it out and there's minimal spillage.
And when and where is this going to be available?
So this will be available from May next year, and it'll be available in all major retailers, including Amazon.